Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on Good Study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! 感觉很好。我今天感觉很好。感觉难受。我今天感觉很难受。感觉舒服。我感觉很舒服。感觉不舒服。我感觉很不舒服。感觉冷。我觉得好冷。感觉热。我觉得好热。感觉饿。我感觉饿了。感觉饱。我感觉饱了。感觉累。我好累。感觉不累。我不累。感觉困。我很困。感觉不困。我不困。感觉痛。我肚子痛。感觉不痛。我肚子不痛。感觉头晕。 我感到头晕。感觉恶心。我感到恶心，想吐。感觉乏力。我今天感觉浑身乏力。测验。A. 我感觉很舒服。B. 我觉得好冷。C. 我觉得好热。A. 我感觉饿了。B. 我感到头晕。C. 我感觉饱了。A. 我感觉很好。B. 我感觉很难受。C. 我感觉很累。Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。